What's up everybody, Impossible here. Today I'm going to show you how to change the license plate light on a Chevy Traverse. A lot of times one of these will burn out and they want to change the bulb, or they just want to replace it with LEDs to make it brighter. Anyway, this is really simple. So there's actually no tab, like there's nothing you need to press in. You just have to be able to get a good grip on it. And you just pull it out and I'll show you. You want to pull from this side, the side near the car. Don't pull from this side. Just get a good grip here and just pull it straight out. Once again, there's nothing you actually have to press in. Just get a good grip, there we go, pops right out, and we just pivot it out there. And you can see that that tab holds it in on the near side. On the far side here, there's just that thing. So, and you can't press that. You can't press that from the outside. So you just, like I said, you just have to get a good grip on it and pull it out from this side here like I did. And then to take the bulb out here, you just rotate this counterclockwise and it pops right out. And the bulb's gonna be in here. So it's just a press fit, so just grab the glass part of the bulb with your hand and just pull it straight up out of the plastic. I already took this one out. I wouldn't be able to do it with one hand anyway, but it's really that simple. And then you just put your new bulb in, kind of obvious way, the same way the old bulb came out, just push it right in. And for this here, you just put it in, turn it clockwise until it is perpendicular, or just turn it clockwise until it clicks all the way, looks like that. And we just pop it back in here. Put the side closer to you, put that side in first, like that. And then just pops in like that. It's not a very satisfying click, but that's how it stays in. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more like this. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments below. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day.